Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Teal Garcia. If you are not new here, thank you for coming back. I've been gone for a little while. I took a break right before Christmas and I intended to come back in the new year, but I got sick. So I am just now getting over that. I'm still a little phlegmy, I guess. Pretty sure it wasn't the Rona, but I did stay home and I, didn't go anywhere or do anything. So all is good. I am feeling a little better now. So this first video, I just kind of wanted to talk about a little bit about what we'll be doing in 2022. So the first thing that I'm going to tackle in 2022 is I am going to put together a beginner's photography course. So all those lovelies that got cameras for Christmas and now you want to know how to use them, I'm going to put together probably a 2 or 3 part series on kind of like a camera 101. So if that's you, that's coming. I just need to kind of write a script and figure out exactly what I want to cover in those videos. So that is coming. I have a dress that I'm ready to make that I just kind of have to work on. I have the fabric actually on my, I don't know if you can see it, watch. I have the fabric on my dress form. Isn't it so pretty? So it's gray and it has like little gold stars and moons and sparkles all over it. The fabric's gorgeous. So that fabric's just kind of draped on there, but I just wanted to see what it looked like. It has a nude slip underneath it and I just was trying to see what that looked like. So it's the fabric for the dress that we're gonna work on. Again, I just kind of gotta, my office is the guest room and we had a friend staying here for Christmas through New Year's. So I haven't even, I had everything put away. I just have to kind of break everything out and sit down and sew it. I have a great idea for it and everything. So we're gonna work on that. Another thing that I wanna do, I am starting during Vlogmas, I did a lot of cooking. I realized that I do a lot of cooking. I do cook probably 4 to 5 times a week for my family. So I am starting a cooking channel here on YouTube. It's already started. I will link it below. I think there's only 1 video on there for now because I've been sick. So I wasn't really even cooking. My husband was handling that while I was sick. So that's gonna get started. So I am going to kind of cross the two, and I do want to talk about a lot of photography in different scenarios. So if you, and videoing and filming and stuff. So if you wanted to start your own YouTube or cooking channel or whatever, I can kind of show you setups and the gear that I use for that channel, because it is a little bit different. It's not going to be me sitting around talking to a camera. It's going to be, more so showing what I'm doing and whatnot. So I am going to kind of mix the 2 channels up a little bit. So I will be talking about setups and the photography side of running that channel also. I do also want to get outside more, and I want to start making videos outside, kind of like we did when I was in Hawaii. It's been a little bit harder here because I haven't had an assistant. I haven't had an assistant or anybody to film me. But I'm working on that. I'm also going to do a video about how to find an assistant. So there's that in the future also. Yeah, I mean, that's about it. That's all I really wanted to talk about today. So stay tuned for lots of stuff in 2022. Yeah, if you, again, the series about your learning how to use your camera is coming up first. So stay tuned for that. I really want to knock those out pretty quickly because I know that if you got a camera for Christmas and you want to know how to use it, we're talking exposure triangle and everything, then you're probably pretty ready by, mid-January to learn how to use it. So I'm gonna get on that first. And all right, don't forget to like this video. And if you're not subscribed, please do so. I will see you later. Bye.